Individual rights are the cornerstone of a just and equitable society. They guarantee our freedoms and protect us from oppression. But what happens when these rights are violated? Who ensures that the promises enshrined in constitutions and international laws translate into tangible realities for ordinary citizens? This is where courts come in as the guardians of our freedoms, playing a critical role in upholding and enforcing individual rights. Courts serve as the neutral arbiters of disputes between individuals and between individuals and the state. They provide a platform for grievances to be heard, for violations to be addressed, and for justice to be served. Through their judgments and interpretations, courts breathe life into abstract legal principles, transforming them into practical safeguards for our daily lives. This essay will delve into the multifaceted ways in which courts protect our rights. Judicial review empowers courts to examine and invalidate unconstitutional actions. It acts as a crucial check on government power, ensuring laws comply with fundamental rights. Originating from Marbury v. Madison in 1803, it safeguards against tyranny and protects minority rights. Courts play a vital role in interpreting laws and ensuring that their application aligns with the principles of justice and individual rights. This often involves scrutinizing legislation to assess its potential impact on fundamental freedoms and striking a balance between competing interests. For example, in India, the Supreme Court has played a transformative role in upholding the rights of LGBTQ+ individuals. In a landmark 2018 judgment, the court decriminalized homosexuality by striking down Section 377 of the Indian Penal Code, a colonial-era law that criminalized same-sex relations. This decision marked a significant victory for LGBTQ+ rights, affirming the court's commitment to interpreting the Constitution in a manner that promotes equality and dignity for all. Similarly, in South Africa, the Constitutional Court has been instrumental in protecting the rights of people living with HIV/AIDS. In a series of groundbreaking cases, the court has upheld the right to access antiretroviral treatment, ensuring that this life-saving medication is available to all who need it. These judgments have had a profound impact on public health policy in South Africa, demonstrating the power of courts to effect positive social change. While courts play a crucial role in protecting individual rights, access to justice remains a significant challenge in many parts of the world. Barriers such as poverty, lack of legal representation, and discrimination can prevent individuals from seeking redress for rights violations. Moreover, courts themselves can sometimes be subject to political interference, undermining their independence and impartiality. In such cases, the very institutions tasked with upholding the rule of law can become instruments of oppression. Addressing these challenges is essential to ensure that the promise of judicial protection becomes a reality for all. Strengthening legal aid systems, promoting judicial independence, and raising awareness of individual rights are all crucial steps in this direction. Ultimately, the effectiveness of courts in protecting individual rights depends not only on their legal powers, but also on the willingness of governments and citizens alike to respect and uphold the rule of law. When courts are independent, accessible, and empowered, they serve as vital bulwarks of freedom, ensuring that the rights we cherish are not merely words on paper, but living realities for all.